In this video, what you'll be looking at is saving and exporting your work. Those are two separate things, so I'll explain those as we go. So we've finished with our design like this, and whenever you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the 123D symbol, and you'll go Save to My Computer. So for you, it'll probably open up in something like this. It'll have a folder that looks like this. You want to scroll down until you see Open Public. You'll double click on Open Public. You'll see something that says Carlson Computers. The only reason there's a 3 in front of it is so that it stays near the top of this folder, so you don't have to search for it. Then what you'll see is the year. So if you're watching this not in 2018, 2019, then you'll see 2019, 20, or so on. Then you'll see your classes here. So you have to find your class. And then you'll find that there's a whole bunch of different drawings. For this one, it's going to be the introduction example. So this is just practice to see if you can get it to save there. And then you'll put your name in there. So I'd put my name, Mr. C, and I'd put intro. And then you'd push save. Now that isn't ready to print yet. I've just saved a copy, but I wanted you to save it to the public drive. And you also need to export it. So you go export as 3D, STL. If this ever is not grayed out, you would click on Combine Objects, and then you'll click OK. It should automatically go to the exact folder that you were just in, and then you'll just save it as the same thing, Mr. C Intro. So if you want to click on it, you just need to delete the 123DX and then push Save. The reason why you're saving and exporting is they're two different files. The saved file is something that I can go and open, and I can make changes to later on. So that helps. That's helpful if I go to print it and it's not quite right. I can just open it up and make changes. The exported file, the STL file, is the one that the printer actually uses. So I need that file in order to get this thing actually printed and ready for you. Even if you're not printing all of your designs, I still want you to export them just in case we ever change our mind. That way the printed version is ready to go.